You won't believe this laser CNC machine. Get 25% off right now, link in our video description. 6550 15W laser engraving machine PMW control TTL CNC 10W laser carving machine 5500 megawatts laser machine, work area 6550. Product specifications: engraving area 65 by 50 centimeters maximum, material stainless steel and acrylic, working voltage DC 12V, control software laser Gerbil 3014, support power 500 megawatts, 1W, 1.6W, 2.5W, 5.5W, 7W, 10W, 20W. Control panel can be controlled offline. Engraving materials: 1. Engravable materials: paper, leather, bank cards, rubber, wood, bamboo, plastic. 2. Cannot be carved materials: stone, ceramic, shell, reflective material, metal, transparent material. Package included: 1X DIY desktop mini laser engraving machine, assembly kit. Customer needs to install it. Noted: if you need the free gift goggles, please choose laser. If you buy without laser, will not include the free gift goggles. Product specifications: engraving area 65 by 50 centimeters maximum, material stainless steel and acrylic, working voltage DC 12V, control software laser Gerbil 3014, slot T slot, support power 500 megawatts, 1W, 1.6W, 2.5W, 5.5W, 7W, 10W. Control panel can be controlled offline.